system. On the basis of the energy interaction, the system has been categorized into three categories: the closed system, open system, and an isolated system. So first of all, what is basically system? So system is nothing but it is a confined area. System is nothing but it is a confined area, okay, or a closed volume in which all the analysis part has to be done. So this is our system, and apart from the system, the rest of the thing is basically known as this is surrounding. This is surrounding, and system and surrounding are demarcated with the help of a boundary line which is known as system boundary. So this is your system boundary. Okay, so this is system, and this system has been characterized into three. One is the closed system, second one is your open system, and the third one is your isolated system. Okay, so now what is your closed system? So we have already told that there is always an energy interaction between the system and surrounding. So closed system is the system. Closed system is a system in which energy interaction in the form of heat, mass, basically energy interaction takes place in this three form. Okay, the energy interaction takes place in this three form. So when it is a closed system, then mass transfer does not take place. The closed system is a system in which mass transfer does not take place, means the energy interaction takes place only by means of heat and work. Okay, so what is our closed system? The closed system is basically an IC engine, piston cylinder arrangement. IC engine piston cylinder arrangement in which no mass transfer takes place, only the gas will be pushed by the help of the piston. So throughout the engineering, you will take the IC engine as a closed system, IC engine into this arrangement. Okay. Now the next one is your open system. When the energy transfer takes place by means of heat, mass and work, then it is known as the open system, means in which the mass transfer also takes place. Okay, then open system will be said. And all the engineering device, whatever be the type of engineering device is, all the engineering device work on the basis of an open system. They are open system, whether it is a turbine, compressor, nozzle, diffuser, any of the engineering device, they all work on the basis of an open system. Okay. Now the next one is your isolated system. Isolated system means that there is no energy interaction takes place between the system and surrounding. Means your system is totally isolated, means there is no interaction with the system and surrounding. Yes, energy transfer, energy of the system can be changed, but energy transfer from the system and surrounding, this is not at all possible. So this is your isolated system, and there is a big difference between an isolated system and an adiabatic system. Isolated and adiabatic. So there is a big difference. Isolated means no energy transfer. No energy transfer takes place. While in case of adiabatic, heat transfer does not take place. Okay, there is no heat transfer takes place. Only mass and work is possible. Mass or work transfer is possible. These two transfer can be done. So this is your adiabatic system. So always make it clear that isolated means no energy transfer, means neither mass nor work nor heat, anything, nothing can be done. while in case of an adiabatic, heat transfer only does not take place, mass and work transfer can take place. Now the property. So we have said that in thermodynamics, we basically analyze any of the system. The system will be analyzed by analyzing what? The system is basically analyzed by analyzing the property. It is the characteristics of the system which defines the system. So it is only the property which we measure, we analyze, and which defines the system. Okay, and it is only the property. If the value of any property will be changed, then the system state or the property of the system will automatically change. The property are of two types. One is your intensive property and other one is known as extensive property. Intensive property is a property which basically does not depend upon the mass, like our pressure, temperature. Okay, it is invariant of the mass. The temperature, suppose the pressure at the sea level, water pressure at the sea level is same as a water in the bowl. So it is invariant of the mass. While the other one is your extensive property. Extensive property is a property which basically dependent on mass, like volume, energy, entropy. The volume basically depends. If the larger the volume has large property. If a system is smaller, then its volume will be smaller, so it is a smaller property. Similarly, the energy, large ball has more energy as compared to the lower ball or a small ball. Okay, so there are two types of the basically property. One more property is known as the specific property. Specific property is a property which is per unit mass basis, and this property is known as intensive property. So suppose there's a intensive energy, that is energy per unit mass. So all the intensive property are nothing but they are your intensive properties. So all the specific properties are intensive properties. Always remember. Yani, suppose volume, the per unit mass volume, that is the specific volume. That specific volume is intensive property because now it does not depend upon the mass. And since we have told that every state of a system will be defined with the help of the property, so in any of the process, basically what happened, system changes from one position to another position by means of some process. So this is our first state, state 1, and this is our state 2. Okay, now from state 1 to state 2, the system has changed with the help of any of the processes. Now the value of the property on state 1 and state 2 will be changed. Okay, so it means that property does not depend from which process we have reached. It only depends which state we have reached. Okay, so that's why the property is a point function. So every point function is a property, or we can say that a property is a point function. As the value of the property will change, then the state will automatically change. A small variation in the property will change the position of the state of any system. Okay.